Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you my skincare products, and if you want to see what my skincare products looks like, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is some of my skincare. So I have here my Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. I use this every morning. By the way, I used to use the Biore charcoal, but I threw them away, the black one and the white one. But I want to try this Clean and Clear. I heard that these are good as well, and it says oil free, so I use this every morning, and then this one every night has that. And then here, by the way, I got this I believe at Marshall's, this rose gold thingy. So anyway, I have Mario Badescu, of course, because I have one in my makeup room and then one in the bathroom. And then I also have here my Estee Lauder Night Wear Plus. This is the 3-minute detox mask right there. And I also got this Lancome. This is the eye makeup remover by Lancome. And then I also got this, I don't know what is this, but it says I can put this after and before my makeup. This one right here from Lancome. And then I also have this Lancome instant, I mean, no, not instant, but this is the night cream. Every night after I wash my face and do my night skincare, I put this every night. And I also have the Ordinary. This is like my OG when it comes to like exfoliating. This is the Ordinary AHA 30%, and it has BHA 2%. This is the peeling solution. This is really good as well, guys. And then I literally just purchased this. This is the lip scrub from Wet n Wild, and it's watermelon. I also have this is my eye cream from Lancome. All these Lancome products, you guys, my friend Helena, she gave me this one. And also she also gave me this toner from Lancome. And oh my goodness, this toner, oh my god, it hydrates my face, especially it's winter time now. My face is getting dry. I'm normally combination, and now I have like literally dry skin. So every time I use this toner, I don't know, like it's just, I don't know, it just gives me that nice effect before and after putting makeup. And this is the Lancome toner. Yep. And then this is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleanser. I got this at my BoxyCharm and it's really good. This is really good. And then this one as well, I got it on my BoxyCharm. This is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask right there. I used this once, but I'm not because I normally use the Ordinary, because like I said, I don't want to switch up my skincare, because that's when the time when I break out. And also I have here the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Also got that on my BoxyCharm. I use it once, but there's 2 masks actually in there, but I haven't used the other one. So that's that in this little rose gold thing near in my mirror, like in my sink. By the way, I have this too. It's supposed to be for foundation brush, but sometimes I use this one for if I apply like mask or something like that. So I keep these 2 brushes in here. Okay, moving on with this side right here. So I have here my dry shampoo. I have a whatchamacallit, hairspray. Yep, the hairspray that from Tresemme. I also got this one right here from Marc Anthony, and bomb. I think Mimi made me buy that. And I also got my deodorant. I use a Dove spray. And you guys, this micellar water from Lancome as well. Look how much I use this, and it smells so freaking good. And then also I have my Garnier. And then I have here, oh, this is my husband. This is like the soothing gel. And this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Gel Melt Cleanser. This is when sometimes I take my makeup off with this one and it melts to my skin. It is so good. And this one, what is this? Oh, this is for my edges, but I have to throw this away because it's not really hold my edges. Okay, I also got this at my BoxyCharm. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and oh my goodness, this cleansing balm, I used to use the e.l.f., but when I got this one, it's so freaking good, you guys, and it smells so good. Yeah, but I got this on my BoxyCharm, and this is from Pharmacy right there. Okay, moving on, in this one right here, I normally put my toner in here. So, and okay, so this is the Pond's. This is for my husband because he got dry skin, so that's his. And this is the Aztec. This is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret. This is the Indian Healing Clay. I got this on Amazon because a lot of people were raving about this, and I just literally used it twice, and I kind of like the feeling, but it's kind of like a hassle because I have to put water or like apple cider vinegar, you know, to mix with this mask, like the clay. So it's kind of like hassle. If I want to just like in the go, I'll use this one or like my other mask, but if I have time, I'll use this one. So anyway, I also have this Pharmacy. This is the vitamin C mask as well, and if I don't have time, I like literally just use this, and if I have so much time in the world, I use this one right here. And before I purchased the All Henderson, I used this Mario Badescu glycolic acid toner. Like, look at this. And this is all, it says all skin types, because that was the time when I was like looking for toner, but this one is really bomb. It doesn't itch, or it's not giving me that like itchy feeling when I apply this after, you know, after my skincare and everything. This is bomb as well. I try to switch it up every now and then with this too, but I fell in love with this too, and it kind of like ignore this one. But like last 2 days I used this Mario Badescu, and oh my god, I'm still in love. And then I also got the Clinique. This is the clarifying lotion. This is to exfoliate as well. I use this once or twice a week because this is really strong, you guys, and I got this at Marshall's, and it's $12. Yeah, so this is really good as well. And this is for my oily skin girls out there, but since I have dry skin now, I kind of like not use this one because this is really strong. But other than that, this is bomb. And we just put it right there. And I got this as Marshall as well. This is the Nature Republic aloe vera. I believe this is, yep, soothing and moisture. The only thing I don't like about this is I have to like squeeze it, and it's so hard to squeeze in order for me to get the product. But yeah, okay, but I like this toner as well. This is the aloe vera 90% toner right there. I got this at Marshall's. Yeah, this one is for the Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. Desi Perkins made me buy this too, like this too. This, because she got like, I believe a combination skin, something like that. But this one, as you can see, I use a lot of this toner. I use this every morning after I wash my face and do my skincare. Every morning I use this after, and it's just to control the oil. Yeah, so this is the Glow to OH Dark Spot Toner, and I use this every night. If I have pimples, you guys, like in my forehead, I kind of like soak the pad, because I seen it on Desi Perkins Instagram story. She soaked the pad and then just put it on her forehead and let it put this the pad for like 5 to 10 minutes, and like I did it for like 2 days and my pimple disappeared, like not even kidding. But like I said, look at this. I use this every night. This is for every morning then every night, but like I said earlier, I kind of like switch it up with my Mario Badescu as well. Okay, in this part I have my wipes. So I've been loving the simple cleansing wipes, because before I used to use the Neutrogena, but that was very rough because I don't know, it just gave me the like an itchy feeling. And yeah, I normally buy this at BJ's because they have like 4, and then I save money from it. And then I also got this I got this a while ago. I literally need to throw this away because this is old, and I literally just this is for the body, and then this one is like for exfoliating, and this one is like the soft one. And this is I forgot where I got this, Vanity, something like that. Yeah, if I remember, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, you guys. And this is just my nail polish remover and alcohol right there. And in the bottom right here is my extra wipes, the simple extra wipe right there. And then I have a backup like for the pads, because I use this every day. And I also have this cotton pads right there. Not cotton pads, but cotton balls right there. Okay guys, some of my skincare I put on my beauty room. This is the Lancome moisturizer. I use this every morning. The one that you seen in the bathroom, that was for every night. And I forgot to put this back on the bathroom. This is the Sol, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the Bum Bum cream. I use this like my face, or kind of like lotion, something like that. This is good as well. And then I also have the Nivea Post Shave Balm, and like I said, you've seen it in the other earlier, that I have also the Mario Badescu here in my studio, and my gel. Okay guys, that's it for like the skincare products. And if you want me to do a makeup collection, then let me know in the comment down section below and I will do it. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.